In his latest address to the nation, President Museveni said that COVID-19 is still a threat to Ugandans, with an average infection rate of 50 people a week. Museveni issued new directives that would be followed to prevent the spread of the disease. The directives were, among others, directing those who received 2 vaccine doses to get a booster. He said those who want to access public offices and spaces have to present COVID-19 vaccination certificates.
A certificate of vaccination with evidence of up-to-date boosting is a requirement for entry in formal meetings and public places.
To ease follow-up and implementation of these directives, the Ministry of Health has developed a system in which people can access their details using phones.
Working with the NITAU to ensure that we have a validation system, either using a smartphone which uses the QR code to scan the QR code on the vaccination certificate, or a short code number where you can send your NIN and it shows that you are vaccinated and shows your details as they are in our APVAC system.
The President's office has since embarked on implementing the directives. In his address to different media houses, news managers, the Deputy Principal Press Secretary, Office of the President, Farouk Chirunda, said only reporters with COVID-19 vaccination certificates will be allowed to cover presidential events. The directive comes into effect on December 12th. However, the Executive Director, Human Rights Network for Journalists Uganda, Robert Sempala, says this directive comes in form of coercion.
Also, it's a human right not to compel or force people to undertake any testings, to go under any treatment. They might choose to say no or yes accordingly, but you can't bar them from accessing work because of that impediment. We think it's not well thought out, it's not sustainable.
According to Sempala, other means like proof of negative test could be a better option.
In the event that one of the journalists gets indisposed, they are not available to cover the president. So does it mean other people cannot cover the president from a respective media house? They can. And that's why it should be a comprehensive campaign to target all journalists, but there will also be an elaborate sensitization so that it doesn't come off as a forceful act, so that journalists buy into it and participate willingly. After
nearly 2 years of lockdown, Uganda was fully reopened at the beginning of this year. Since then, Ugandans stopped following all the standard operating procedures to stop the spread of COVID-19. Ramson Muhire, CTV PM Edition.